Oh, didn't check the mic. Is the mic okay? Welcome to another stream. Still is weird. Even after 23 streams, it is still weird to stream. Like you click a button and everyone in the internet can see you. Still freaks me out a bit. But voila, here we are. Let me check that this is not too loud. $48. Loud for my taste. Better? Be better. Is my microphone too loud? Please let me know. Okay. So we are still check on YouTube side. Excellent connection. Okay. Good. Sound. There's also sound. There's still the light. I reduced the light to the minimum. The light settings. But I need to see, because when late night I hate it, like to pull it full light, then I feel like I'm sunbathing at the beach without the sun effect. So I try to, if I go all the way to the left, then we don't have enough light for the green screen. This is just right. Doesn't need so much after all. And this is also great if you can reduce this, because this is like much softer. So maybe have this mid. Once reduced, it just feels so bright. Well, 5 minutes just setting the light right. We are still working on the custom navigation path. So this is a indoor navigation app for smartphones. It uses augmented reality technology, and this is the area that is currently supported. Obviously, if you want to use this, you want to replace it with your area, the link is in the repository below, and we are using Vuforia in this repository, but you can also use other frameworks. There is another repository for a multiset, the startup from India, which I recommend to use as well if you want to give it a try. I don't know if this link, I have it in this video, but you'll find it somewhere on the channel. There's a video, and I'm currently working also on another tutorial. Be available by end of this week. Okay, last time, so let me show you what is the current state. We did already some progress on it, but it's not always satisfied yet. And by it's only gonna be 30 minutes stream because it's late, and yep. But I thought I still gonna do something, work a bit on the project, then not do anything at all, because yeah, small steps count as well. So here you see the steps that lead to, yeah, to this destination. I just realized that, oh, they don't reset when I stop. Oh, okay. But that's one problem that we can fix in this stream. Okay. And reset. Does it? It could also be more in front. The distance. That's funny. Oh no, it works. Okay. Yeah, it could be more smooth. Yeah. So in the end, what we have, or what we especially did last time, oh wait. Ah yes, you can access now the. So here you can disable the line. Only have the footprints. In the end, we want that you can decide between footprints and I probably walked into the couch. That you can decide which one you want. But yeah, we definitely need to disable them when we yeah, and there's still this null reference exception from overlay from the package. This is weird. I don't know if this is related to our code. I don't think so, because it's happening inside package. I'm not gonna debug the package today. Maybe there's an update. Let's check. Package. And by the way, should we update to Unity 6? Or Unity 6 6000? Would be great. New editor. Why do we not do this time? What are we looking for? I forgot. We're looking for oh, there's an update. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're on 223. What did they change? Start endpoints of knife hashtags. Okay. Update this anyway. Yeah, the Discord server has been more quiet these days. Maybe people go outside more now. Spend less time coding. Or maybe because the semester ended for many people. I don't know. During the winter season, it's more definitely people more coding, more asking questions. I don't know. Yeah, also it has to do with the semester schedule, I think. They did have tested for before we committed. Oh, why is this resetting this? There's something fixed. Oh. The arrow is gone. Looks like they fixed it. Good stuff. Or it is not showing there. No, they are showing all the errors. Good. Good, Unity. Good. Very good. Oh. Oh. There's something else. That can happen when you stop the scene. Probably that there's still like a game object that is being used or whatever. Worry about that. Okay, nice. Now, how until now we solved the navigation, the footprints. We have this we have a controller for this air path steps. Then here we have the footprint spawn. And now I spawn them in front of the player along this line. Okay. Does it have its own line? I hope so. Yeah, it's taking the air path line. The line renderer, this is what you see here. This we can enable, and this should still work, yes. Oh. Oh. What are you doing? Why are you walking backwards? This is a backward step. Oh, it is. Well, we worry about it later. Because how we've done them now. So as we walk, I calculate the distance from the player along this line and I spawn them there. And I'm not happy with this solution because it's very dependent on the player's position. What I want to instead, what I thought about is maybe a much easier approach is that that we're gonna draw the footsteps all the way to the destination the whole time, spawn, like we rendered the line, and then we that visible to, we hide it, and we only display them as we walk closer. Like as we walk, we're only gonna show those that are in range, and I think that will be easier. At least I hope so. So first, let's then we probably don't need to probably still need to delete them. Still need to have a delete function. Let's do that first. So we basically just need to destroy all game objects from footprint spawn when the navigation is stopped. Footprints. Path steps, why are there two? Ah, that was something else. Okay. Reset path is called when. Stop navigation. Uh-huh. Conversation is null. Set step. Was it does? The problem. Visual Studio being Visual Studio. Oh. Okay. Arrived at destination, stop navigation. Okay. Ah, yeah. Here we can do it. Stop quarantine. Then what is remove what the time on Windows keyword. Just have like this. Leads on get component in children or get children from the transform. Child. How to loop or child child game object. There's a need function. Boy. Ah, just get the transform. Okay. Just get the transform is also an object. A component. And then just a for each child. And then destroy. Not very smooth, but okay. First we try to solve one. Form to do that. Oh, game object. What is your problem? Yeah, I like to talk to my code. A second. Sorry. Destroy all children. That's... Don't destroy all children. You are a huge generation. But game object children is okay. Ooh, it's already 20 minutes. Order of destruction. The order in which things are destroyed might matter in some cases, best if they have scripts they rely on a particular parent. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, hide and disable. This is more performant, obviously, but in this case, it's okay. Yes, we are noobs. See that my green screen is not well lit, especially on the dark surface. Did well. Better. There's still a little edge, but it's much too bright. No, I know. I mean, it's whatever. Have to be perfect, right? Perfect. This is still a lot worse. It's okay. It will do. Okay, this should do it. Right? Let's check. Play it. I think we can delete this log. Yeah, and there's also one issue I realized found out in last stream. When I go too far away from my way, too much away in the start, don't follow it closely, then it won't work. So that's why we need the other approach. Okay, now we arrive. They're gone. Good, 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 good. We see they're gone. Delete the spawn as well? I hope so, not. Oh. Oh. Where's... Did we delete our whole controller? Yes, we did. Oops. No, from the spawn. Oops, 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 oops. Not in this children. Do I have the spawn as a game object? Where is it? Target? That parent footprint spawn. Children of the spawn. We don't want to delete our controller, but why is the controller deleted? Taking himself as well? That would be weird. Table. Dang it. Why this? Get components and children. Include inactive, yes, no, but... Why? The method includes the parent game object in itself in the list. This doesn't make sense. I want the children. The method inherently includes the parent object in the search. Doesn't make sense. To path nodes remove transform. What? Mm-hmm. Expected behavior? Bro. Okay, when it's in the API, but it doesn't make sense. Like, get components in children and not in the parent. This is too bright anyways. Retrieves reference to all components of type T on specified game object and any child of the game object. Doesn't make sense. Then call it get component in parent and in children. Oh my goodness. Why? The user of this method call. Find game object components that attach to the other. That's stupid. Unity, that's just stupid. Create a different method for this, please. Oh my goodness. And people just write expected behavior. Yes, that's true, but it doesn't make sense. If you call the get components in children, if you call it like that, then it's you expect that you have the parent, you have children, and then you get the components inside the children and not from the parent. Unity managers don't have parent kids. Probably not true, but that doesn't make sense. Yeah, it's documented behavior, yes. The typical use case for this function is something like raycast or collision handling, where the object as the collider is often a child of the main object, which may have the enemy or rigid object. By using component get component in parent. If this function doesn't meet your prerequisites, you're welcome to write one that behaves differently. This is always phrase in which, yes, thank you. Such knowledge a parent also a child of itself. Yes, this makes no sense to me. Thank you. I have to write my own extension method every time. Yes, this is just stupid. Why not just write it once? Yeah, then you have to go back to your repository every time just for this stupid function. it's a great post. Oh, we're only a third through. Third to Necrobomb, but this has been really frustrating. Thank you. 2 years later. One of those gotchas, Unity. Gotchas, what does that mean? It's one of those. What is a gotcha? Sorry. English vocabulary is limited. Yes, gotcha is like, yeah, I understand that. One understood. Ah, gotcha. Yeah. Get that, but aha, in the sense of you just need to know that this is happening. Use a simple utility method to return components excluding or not current object. Component utils get components and children. What does it do? Include parent. First or default. What the heck is this? The children, so he calls that. And then here we have all the components. If we don't exclude the parent, exclude parent, we want to exclude parent, true. So this is fast, we don't worry about it. Component first or default. What is that? Ah, that's a C# method. Yes. Turns the first element of a sequence or default value if no element is found. I got baited by the name too. Yep. Oh, this is a slick solution. Example of solution, not the best performance because of link, I suppose, but verbose. Will not work when parent won't be first in array. Aha. When is the parent not in the first array? Because it's the parent, like it's the first in the for loop. But whatever. Skip 1 to array. Oh, okay. I like that. Check. So what does it do? Skip. Skip 1. Okay. Aha, this returns an array. And what does skip do? Ah, so we're just gonna skip C#. Bypass as best we can now. Smart. Why Unity? Why? with a reference to the this is a good one. This always creating me to eat such with such a log, apparently it's also a child of itself. We're gonna reference this guy in our code. This just makes code a little bit more fun to read. Okay. How are we with the? Why does it? Oh, probably. I don't worry about the lightning now. What do we want to do? Test it. Why is it not opening? Oh, it's still. Still building, piling, sinking into my ear. Oh, it's over 30 minutes. We solved this problem and then we're done. We solved one problem. What do we need to test? Ah. Need to test if we're walking, if footsteps are weighted. Boom. It works like a charm. Thank you for the comment. Oh, let's actually follow this comment. This. Remove footprints. It looks wrong. I'm sorry about my grammar. Who's up? Okay. Footprint. Yeah, football. Sorry. Tech. My tech. God. Move footprint. Okay. This was it for this week. For this has been rather short, but better short than no stream. Hope you learned something. I surely did. Get components in children. In Unity means also get component parent and in children. So this still throws an error, but only when we close it. When we just stop the thing, the play mode, so that's okay. Okay. Hope you enjoyed it. I surely enjoyed seeing those chicken again. Whatever. Peace out.